Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to show related products on Shopify product page. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to show related product on Shopify product page, you simply need to search for an integration called related product, and that is going to be introducing similar products which are maybe regularly bought together. So if you simply dive onto this section, you can see we have various integrations, and you can see we have product showcase and upsell, and you can see we have cross sell and upsell. So this kind of stuff you can see frequently bought together, and this is the one that you need. So make sure to choose something with a solid rating, and eventually you're going to come across with something that you need. So that's how you can show related products in Shopify product page. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.